I couldn't figure out how to turn the damn phone around like it didn't want to let me, but yeah. This is day 2 hiking Abrams Falls, and I see why they call it falls, because holy moly, we are up. We are up. Up, up, up. Look at how we got a frickin'... Look at this trail. This trail is ridiculous. Like I said, I thought the other one was bad. Whew. Slip on a rock, you're done for.
Is this a waterfall?
Yeah, this is probably the one I was thinking the Laurel Falls was, or whatever. Let's see. I don't have much recording time left, so I'm gonna... Look, somebody did an unbeaten path, made their own down to the water, I guess. Ooh.